Hi friends, hi fellow flyers, it's Doyle here and it's Christmas and it brings me back to some fond memories of me making cookies with my grandmother. In the wintertime we would always make gingerbread cookies for Christmas. Well, I made a batch of cookies and I burnt them. Look at here, my burnt cookies, they're so bad. What made me burn these cookies was I was trying to hurry up a process. I have this Pampered Chef stoneware. This thing bakes cookies, pizzas very, very well. It kind of protects the bottom of the cookie or the bottom of the pizza from getting too hot too quickly, and it distributes heat very well and does a wonderful job baking. But this is a $50 or more pan or frying, cooking sheet. Well, I thought that I would cook some cookies on a single, baking sheet, just a little thin baking sheet. And when I did that, it burnt my cookies. So I thought to myself, well, I want to try to think about a way of making my cookies without burning my cookies. So what I did is I bought this little three-piece. This is a three-piece set of three-piece easy bake cookware set, and instead of using one sheet, I put one upside down in the pan. So I got the biggest one, and I took the next size and put it upside down, and then I baked the cookies again, and it worked flawlessly, perfectly. Look at here. That is a well-baked cookie. It did not burn my cookie. That is a 14-minute bake. It did very, very good. It's my gingerbread cookie baked longer than I wanted to. I usually go about 10, 12 minutes, but that's a well-baked cookie, and that one on the single sheet burnt. So I call this like a double boiler. This is like a double baker. It's the double baking sheet. When you put one sheet bake pan inside the other bake pan, that prevents overheating of the cookie, and it baked the cookie very, very well. So if I had another one of these, it'd been great. But instead of paying over $50 for another stoneware from Pampered Chef, we just paid $7.99 for a pack of three. I ended up getting two sets, so that way I can have one pan ready with cookies while the other pan's and then in that way I can have some nice cookies. I think they done very well, very good. I'm happy with the baking process of making a double baker instead of a double boiler, a double baker. So thank you all. Have a wonderful Christmas. God bless. Bye.